Finding the right robot vacuum can make everyday cleaning much easier, especially for homes with pets, carpets, and hard floors. In this top 5 best robot vacuums of 2026, we compare premium models based on suction power, mopping performance, navigation, obstacle avoidance, hair handling, and automated maintenance to help you choose the best option for your home.
We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Starting at number 1. DREAME X60 Max Ultra Complete Robot Vacuum. The DREAME X60 Max Ultra Complete is a premium robot vacuum and mop designed for powerful, fully automated cleaning. It features 35,000 pascals suction with an upgraded dual brush system for deep cleaning dust, debris, and pet hair, while its ultra-thin 3.13-inch, 7.95 centimeters, design allows it to reach underneath sofas and beds. Its AI-powered dual cameras provide 280+ obstacle avoidance, and the robot can cross obstacles up to 3.47 inches, 8.8 centimeters, high. For mopping, it uses dual rotating mop pads with 15N downward pressure, 230 revolutions per minute spinning, and hot water cleaning. The multifunctional dock automatically empties dust, refills water, washes the mop pads with up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit 100 degrees Celsius hot water, and dries them with hot air, making the X60 Max Ultra Complete an excellent high-end choice for users who want powerful cleaning with minimal daily maintenance. Number 2. DREAME L60 Ultra FE Robot Vacuum and Mop. The DREAME L60 Ultra FE is a powerful robot vacuum and mop designed for hands-free everyday cleaning, offering 30,000 pascals Vormax suction for picking up dust, hair, litter, and debris from hard floors and carpets. Its Tri-Cut anti-tangle brush is designed to cut and remove long hair while reducing tangles, while dual flex arm technology helps the robot reach corners, edges, baseboards, and narrow spaces. The standout thermal hub mop system uses 212 degrees Fahrenheit 100 degrees Celsius hot water to clean the mop pads, and its smart power dock automatically handles dust emptying, water and cleaning solution refilling, hot air mop drying, and charging. DREAME lists the FE model with a 5,200 mAh battery, 4.5L clean water and 4L used water tanks, app and third-party voice control, and smart Pathfinder navigation. Number 3. Roborock Qrevo Curv Robot Vacuum. The roborock Qrevo Curv is a premium robot vacuum and mop designed for powerful, low-maintenance cleaning, especially in homes with pets or long hair. It delivers 18,500 pascals hyperforce suction and uses the DuoDivide main brush plus FlexiArm side brush to reduce hair tangling while effectively collecting dust and pet hair. Its AdaptiLift chassis can adjust to different floor surfaces and handle thresholds up to about 4 centimeters, while FlexiArm technology helps the robot clean along edges and into corners. The multifunctional dock automatically empties the dustbin, refills the water tank, washes the mop pads with 167 degrees Fahrenheit 75 degrees Celsius hot water, and dries them with warm air. The bundle you provided also includes 6 2.7-liter disposable dust bags, making it a convenient choice for users who want strong vacuuming, mopping, and automated maintenance with minimal hands-on work. Number 4. DREAME X50 Ultra Robot Vacuum. The DREAME X50 Ultra is a premium robot vacuum and mop designed for deep, automated cleaning across hard floors, carpets, marble, wood, and tile. It delivers up to 20,000 pascals of Vormax suction for picking up dust, crumbs, cat litter, and pet hair, while its hyper-strain detangling dual brush is designed to reduce hair tangles. Its standout ProLeap system uses retractable legs to cross obstacles up to 2.36 inches, 6 centimeters, while VersaLift navigation lowers the robot to about 3.5 inches for cleaning beneath low furniture. The X50 Ultra also features AI obstacle avoidance, 360 degrees mapping, extendable brushes and mops for corner and edge cleaning, and multiple carpet cleaning modes. Its all-in-one dock provides automated maintenance, including dust collection, mop washing, drying, and water management, making it a strong choice for users who want powerful cleaning with minimal manual maintenance. DREAME currently lists the X50 Ultra at $999.99, reduced from $1,599.99 on its US site. Number 5. NARWAL Freo X Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop. The NARWAL Freo X Plus is a capable robot vacuum and mop designed especially for homes with pets and frequent hair buildup. It delivers 7,800 pascals of suction power for picking up dust, debris, and pet hair, while its certified zero-tangle floating brush is designed to prevent long hair and fur from wrapping around the roller. Its dust compression system automatically empties and stores debris for up to 7 weeks, reducing the need for frequent maintenance. For navigation, the Freo X Plus combines tri-laser obstacle avoidance with LiDAR SLAM 4.0 for accurate mapping and route planning, while its mop applies up to 6 N of downward pressure and can lift the mop by 9 mm when carpets are detected. With up to 254 minutes of runtime, app and voice control, and edge-focused cleaning, the Freo X Plus is a strong choice for users looking for convenient hands-free vacuuming and mopping without the complexity of a larger premium docking system.